Happy birthday, Berlo. Happy birthday, Berlo.
2, 3.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ayun, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Anino, thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Berlu.
Happy birthday to
Tita Berlu. I
love you.
Hello, Kapitana. A blessed, victorious, grandes. Happy birthday to you. I wish and I pray more blessing to come sa buhay mo at sa pamilya mo. Salamat sa buhay mo. Naway maging pagpapala ka, maging blessing ka sa maraming kasama natin sa group. Maging good testimony ka sa lahat ng mga nasa paligid mo, lalo na sa mga pamilya, sa mga kasama. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang kabutihan ng puso mo, and I know na more blessing are coming to you lalo na pag inuna mo ang Lord sa buhay mo. Sabi nga, seek ye first His kingdom and all His righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you. So God bless you, and safe ride always. God bless.
Good morning, Kapitana. Happy birthday nga pala. More birthday to you. Parang kailan lang inaalalayan ka pa namin. Ang bagal mo pumadyak. Baka kasi mahuli ka, maiwanan ka namin. Pero ngayon hindi na kita kaya. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kapitana. Wish ko lang maraming pang birthday na darating sa'yo. Ibang pamosong birthday wish ng lahat. Laging ganun. Higit sa lahat, salamat at nakilala ko kayo ni Beo at naging parte ako ng grupo. Lalo na sa room. Hindi ko naman yun pinagsisisihan at pinagpapasalamat ko sa sarili ko yun na naging parte ako. Maraming salamat talaga. Kasi higit sa lahat, tinuring niyo akong kuya ng grupo. Lalo na nga ngayon, sabi mo, tatang ng grupo. Pero alam ko ano yun, H factor. Basta isa lang ang masasabi ko sa inyong mag-asawa at sa iyo bilang birthday wish. Tuloy ang pagiging mabait natin sa kapwa-tao. Kahit yung mga kapwa-tao hindi mabait sa atin. Kasi at the end of the day, sila ang may panghihinayang sa buhay nila. Kayo, taas na yung masasabi ninyo na wala kayong inaapakang tao. At ako nga pala, habang nandito pa at may lakas pa, natitirang ilang panahon sa grupo. Pero kung isipin mo, mamatay na ako, tagal pa buhay ko. Masamandam mo ako. Magiging kasama niyo ako sa grupo. Tayo yung magtataguyod sa grupo natin. Tutuloy natin kung ano yung dapat. At maraming salamat, Kapitana. Muli, hindi ko napahabain. Happy birthday. Sana malasing mo kami.
Happy birthday, Kapitana. Enjoy your day. And more ride. And God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kapitana Berlu. Ingat palagi sa ride. Wishing you a good health.
Happy birthday sa malakas kay Kapitana. Happy birthday. More birthday to come.
Hi, Kapitana. Bumakit ka manin. Happy birthday. Diyos ti Agngina.
Teng. Maligaw yung birthday.
sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Long live Kapitana. Hola. Siguro ano na lang. Happy birthday na lang. Tapos maganda naman bike mo. Tapos maganda ka naman din. So ano na lang. Kulang na lang is yung fitness and friends. Happy birthday. Ingat and have a blessed day.
Okay na Kapitana. Bumakit kan. Naimbag nga pa nagkasangay mo. Happy birthday. Love you. Mama.
Happy birthday, Ate V. You know that you are very special in my heart, and we know that you are special also in our God up above. We're so very blessed that you are always with us every ride, every time that, you know, we need somebody to lean on. Always remember that you are very blessed, and we are blessed that God gave you to us to be part of our lives. You are so kind, you are so generous, you are the loveliest, you are the kindest, the humblest, and gusto mo ito marinig? What's that one? Of course, our all-around Ate B. Thank you so much, and we pray that God will always bless you good health. God will always bless you of what your heart desires. God will gonna bless you and your family a happy life and full of adventures and happiness. We want you to always laugh at all times. I love you, Ate Cap. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Kapitana. Wishing you good health and more blessings for you and to your family. Enjoy your special day. More rides to come.
Hello. I just want to take the opportunity to greet one of my friends in the saddle. Berlu Frey, happy birthday. And siya nga pala, I want also thank to Kuya Jojo kasi siya yung way na nakilala ko kayo with Kuya Jojo. Pinakilala kayo sa akin. Then naging members ng row. So my wish and prayer that our Berlu Frey Kapitana, more birthdays to come and more candle to blow, more cake to slice, and more rides, more upgrades also. So happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Thanks for being one of my friends. Happy birthday again, Kapitana. And God bless Kuya Jojo. Bye bye.
Sing happy birthday to me.
I love you, Mama.
Greet your mom. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Love you. Love you so much.
What's that? Why?
Well, you just randomly came into my room and just started recording.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And then?
I love you, Mama. Hope you have a wonderful life. Hope you would live longer than usual. And yeah, that's it. Love you so much. Thank you for everything.
Yes, I love you.